Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Go on an emulator. To begin, you will need to install a suitable Android emulator on your personal computer. Next, ensure your virtual environment or device is properly configured, often requiring root access or a specialized virtual space. Finally, the most crucial step is to set up a reliable GPS spoofing application to simulate your in-game location accurately. This foundational setup is key to a successful experience. Selecting the right tools is paramount for a smooth experience. Opt for an Android emulator that provides excellent stability and performance, ensuring your game runs without issues. Pair this with a sophisticated GPS spoofing application, ideally one offering joystick controls and the ability to simulate walking routes. Remember to employ methods to conceal your emulator's root status, as Pokémon Go actively detects such modifications to prevent unauthorized play. Proper configuration is vital for avoiding detection and potential account issues. When setting up your GPS spoofing application, always use realistic movement speeds, such as walking or cycling pace. It is crucial to avoid instantly teleporting across large distances, as this behavior is easily flagged and can lead to temporary soft bans. Try to limit your virtual travel to a maximum of 10 kilometers per hour to mimic natural movement patterns. To ensure a safe and enjoyable experience, adhere to a few best practices. After changing your virtual location, remain in that spot for at least 2 hours before making another significant move. Avoid rapidly jumping between continents or major cities, as this is a strong indicator of spoofing. By following these guidelines, you can enjoy playing Pokémon Go on your emulator responsibly and minimize the risk of account suspension.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.